Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. India's foreign exchange reserves are reaching unprecedented heights, showcasing nation's fast-growing economy. According to the Reserve Bank of India, for the week ending August 30th, the country's forex reserves surged by $2.299 billion, hitting a new all-time high of $683.987 billion. In addition, India's gold reserves saw a substantial rise of $862 million during the same period, bringing the total to $61.859 billion. Special drawing rights or SDRs also increased by $9 million, now standing at $18.468 billion. India's reserve position with the International Monetary Fund grew by $58 million, reaching up to $4.622 billion. Just a week earlier, on August 23rd, the country had already experienced a significant rise in its reserves, adding $7.023 billion, pushing the total to $681.688 billion. With this continuous upward trend, India now ranks fourth globally in foreign exchange reserves, behind China, Japan, and Switzerland. To give you some perspective, foreign exchange reserves, also known as forex reserves, are assets held by the central bank to manage liabilities and implement monetary policy. These reserves act as a critical safeguard during financial emergencies or crises. But what's driving this impressive growth? A major factor is the rising portfolio investments in the Indian stock market and an influx of foreign direct investment. Investors are showing growing confidence in India's economy, buoyed by strong GDP performance despite global challenges, and optimistic forecasts from institutions like the RBI. Recent government policies have played a pivotal role in this growth. Initiatives such as bank mergers, disinvestment, corporate tax cuts, and national single window system have positioned India as a country with a decisive and forward-looking government. Additionally, there has been a marked improvement in the trade deficit, which saw a 38.79% reduction between April and November 2023 compared to the same period in 2022. Inflation control has also been a key factor in strengthening the economy. India's economic growth rate for the fiscal year 2023-24 was 8.2%, significantly higher than the 7% recorded the previous year. Looking ahead, the RBI has forecast a GDP growth rate of 7.2% for the current fiscal year. It's worth noting that India has now moved up in the global GDP rankings. Back in 2014, under the Congress government, India ranked 10th, but as of 2024, under the BJP government, India holds the 5th position globally. These figures highlight the effectiveness of current policies in propelling the nation's economic trajectory. Jai Hind.